Nice. Behold the glory of God. It's just gorgeous. The sky has been threatening rain all day, but not raining, and now the sun is reflected on the mountains in the distance, and it's just beautiful. I had to water the garden, even though there were clouds in the sky all day. I wanted to make sure that they would get some water today. So I'm hoping tonight it will rain. As you can see, there's all kinds of stuff in the sky. Didn't have enough sun to make anything in the sun oven today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I understand there's severe weather across the country. You guys, I don't care where you live. I would store some water. Buy gallons of distilled, drink it, and fill it with tap water just so you have water on hand. And I say rip up your lawn and grow a garden. Wouldn't it be awesome to go to the garden and pick something rather than to the store and buy something that's been sprayed, irradiated, and God knows what else, GMO'd. Okay, you guys, take care.